Hello everybody. So yes, it's a Wednesday. Yes, I've kind of left filming to the last minute once again. Yes, hopefully I will get better. Hopefully. Right now I'm in my mum's room. Annoying her.
It's very messy.
And yeah. So that intro of like the whole countryside thing was when I went for a drive with my mum, my sister-in-law and my niece, but my niece was asleep so I couldn't be loud. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys the countryside. Honestly, I have no idea what kind of video this should be. I bought some tops yesterday from Best and Less. Maybe I can do a shopping haul. It won't be a very long one though. I got this one, it says a more. It's a short sleeve one. Can't remember how much I got it for though. So I got this top, which is like a yellowy with roses on it. This was $10 at Best and Less. I also got this one. The sleeves are really frilly, which I liked. This one was $15. And I got this shirt that says Cherie. And this was $10 also. And then I got a pair of 3/4 black leggings. And that is my shopping spree done. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I would try them on, but honestly I couldn't be bothered. So Malia just finished getting fed and she decided to be sick all over my hand, all over my shirt. Yeah, you. Hello, cutie patootie. Hello, gorgeous. Okay, before I start this bath, just want to ask something. So I got my tattoo done, but it's like, it's gone, you can't really see it on the camera, but it's like it's gone dryish. I'm thinking about going back next Friday and getting like a touch up. See what I mean? But anyways, it won't stop me from having my bath tonight. Also, I love using this Zoella Scooper Duper. I think it makes like the best bubbles ever, and oh, I can't wait to have a bubble bath. Yummer. Yum, yum, yum. 2 corns on a cob. Delicious. And that was my mum sneezing, if any of you guys were wondering what the hell that noise was. It was my mum's sneeze. Achoo! So I finished my dinner and I was really itchy here and I scratched it. Excuse the eyebrows, they need to be done. But I scratched here and now it's bleeding non-stop. Bloody hell. But anyways, I am going to watch Lucifer on Netflix. I really love that show and I'm going to edit this vlog a little bit. And yeah, I'll see you guys on Friday.